this is the last of them. Look, I probably don't have to tell you, but, we can use this portal to head back to Blim, whenever we want. But, also fine trudging forward.
Got that, Mike.
You got this.
I'm ready for whatever's clever.
I'm back. No problem. Fuck yeah!
Let's pick our way out! Start drinking!
Yo! Looks like they brought backup. It's nice to kill something guilt-free,
Extricate this bullet from my gun into your head.
How's it going?
Yeah, what's up again? Here comes some more guys!
My big idea is to kill them like the others. Up to you. If you have ideas that are different, I'm fine with that too.
Oh, God, I fell asleep during the previous movie shoot.
Hey, guess what? My trick hole is ready again.
The best Gatlian is back, baby! Like your relative history. I'll sit back and let Creature handle this one.
Hello again! That's Angela Strundle! Wanna kill him?
Oh, fuck! The bounty hunter's here!
Oh, Angela's leaving. I guess he's busy.
Oh, watch out! The guy has ligaments! Slow and steady gets blown the fuck up.
Kenny, back in action.
What's the plan?
What's up?
My turn.
You need my help? I am here for whatever you need. Just let me know. I'm going to help you in any way I possibly can. Hey, Brad! What do they got you watching today?
I guess it's supposed to be porn, but it's like alien porn, so I don't know. I honestly have no idea what I'm watching. I mean, I was able to get off to it like after a while. Honestly, now I love it though. Not sure why they want me to jack off this much, but you know, I'm happy to do it. Like all that tentacles and the moving parts, I don't know, there's something really endearing about it. Yeah, I like it a lot actually. I mean, if I ever get out of here, I hope I can like bring this with me at least. I mean, I don't even think I could go back to normal porn after this.
Nice! Go on, have a good life!
Lock and load, motherfucker! How about some bullets?
Like sliding through now? Let's find that fucking Scrindle! Hello? We see you! Are you kidding me?
No, you can't. Fuck you. God damn it! Why do they keep running?
Ah, Jesus Christ! Why are you still following me?
No! We're gonna keep following you until we kill you!
You gotta be nearing the end, right?
Guns in the house.
Hey, let's get this boy a coffee.
Ready to go.
Hi, Angela. Are you gonna keep running?
I wasn't running!
Oh, our misunderstanding.
Whatever, fuck you!
Time bubble's ready when you need it.
Are you ready for this sunshine? Hey, look at me, I'm like Rock. I'm like Rocky in the ring, and I'm a punching, and I'm a dodging, and a weaving. I'm even like that Russian guy. Remember in part 4? That was my favorite. Oh, that Russian guy was huge.
If you die right now, I'm not going to your funeral.
Off the ball here anyway.
Give me what is it? Right, and then dodge a bit, and then I dodge again, and then I hit him with a lefty Tuesday, and a bit of a Wednesday special, and And I'm gonna clobber him over the head. I'm gonna clobber him.
Time to use my old trick hole.
Go ahead. Don't be shy.
Oh, nice! You killed that Scrandle!
Nope, I'm still alive.
Oh, never mind. These Scrindles seem hard to kill.
Whoa, that was creative. Nice work.
What's inside?
That's right, you need old Kenny.
Down. You mind telling me why the hell we're in this acid?
You walk, I'll talk, and shoot.
Have you washed your hands recently? They smell gross.
Why are we so fucking high?
Good bounty hunter?
How's it been going so far? Up we go!
Hey, what's up? Are you the one that's been causing a big hubbub around here? Fuck you!
Fuck yeah! Squeezy time!
I'm so... This podcast... I'm so... Nice and loose. Then all the cool son of a bitch. You really fucking got me. You really get me here. I think you know what's up with you might. Oh, there's no fucking creature babies in my head. Oh. You think you know everything, huh? You think you just don't. You fucking idiot. Ouch. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, you beat me, you son of a bitch. Oh, big whoop-de-doo, huh? Who gives a shit? Fuck you! True form. Yeah, that's right. We got a secret. You try to take on all three of us, we were connected.
Do you? No, that's fine. Do you guys? You guys do you. It won't be a problem for us. But we don't have a problem with it at all. That's what cool.
for Sweezy.
All 3 scrindles are down. We did it. That's how we do, huh? We lay them down, baby.
Holy sh! Oh, alien biology, always. It's just fucked. It's just fucked, really. Good, delicious. Now let me dig into the last bro. Oh, fuck yes! 3 in 1 sitting! Each one more visually better than the last. You know what? I don't see this often, but I'm fully sated right now. I actually need a rest.
You there, bounty hunter?
Oh no! Is that Garmantuous?
Yeah, that's right. I know who you are, and I want you to know how fucked you've made things for yourself. You were living in heaven before you meddled with the G3.
Save your breath, all that yipping and yapping. We're about to put foot to ass. We're coming for you.
I've got the 2 most important people in your life, and I'm going to kill them. Oh, but not right away. First, I'll make things miserable for them. They're going to suffer as much as you've made me suffer.
You're just straight
I'm
evil.
not going to ask you to stop. I doubt you'd listen. I'd just like to inform you that I'm going to make sure you die. And that it's going to hurt. A lot. Besides, you won't even be able to get to my new base on Earth without the proper coordinates. So just sit tight until I come to kill you myself.
Well, looks like we're in it. No turning back now. Ah, another bounty down. Look at us racking them up. Good work, bounty hunter. What say we head home?
Wow, you killed the Screndel brothers and freed us again. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone else is too traumatized to talk right now. Sorry. We just keep getting captured over and over again, you know? It's a lot to take in. I'm still able to talk because I've been captured the most. I'm just kind of numb to it now. Means nothing to me anymore. Don't worry about us. We'll find our way home. Oh, okay, you're leaving.
You're really on fire, aren't you? Obviously, you're not as good at bounty hunting as I used to be, but hey, I'm glorpy enough to admit you're doing pretty damn well. Turn in that bounty. Hey, yeah. I actually wanted to run something by you. How would you feel about me maybe fixing up my old bounty hunting ads, maybe putting you in them to drum up business? I mean, my name will still be bigger than yours in the logo, but we'd be stupid not to capitalize on your growing reputation.
Yo, you guys are fresh out of Friendelos. Oh, hey, I'm Tweeg. I'm dating your sister.
This fucking guy. Tweeg, you need to leave.
Lizzie says it's cool if I'm here.
You're just gonna let this sack of shit eat all my friendelos and tongue kiss your sister?
I'm the one who bought those fucking friendelos. And leave Tweeg alone. You know he has a barbed tongue and he's very sensitive about it.
I can go.
No, Tweeg. You're staying. Tell him he's staying.
Look, he doesn't even love you. He's just after our house.
It's our house.
Exactly. Hey, Tweeg, you gotta be careful around Lizzie. She's just gonna hit it and quit it. Real heartbreaker. I'd get out now while you're still in the green. And hey, you want a real lover? Talk to me.
Don't you have a galaxy to fuck?
Come on, tell him to leave.
Thank you. I appreciate it. But honestly, it's my house too. So I don't even know why I have to fight for this. I'm just so pissed at everyone.
Aw.
Not you, Tweeg. I love you, baby.
Ah! Disgusting! Look at this! They're not even the same species! Do you know how many holes he has? And they're all really advanced level holes. You really gotta take my nephew instead. His holes are more your speed.
Shut the hell up, Gene. I am sick of your shit. All you do is sit on our couch and mope about how sad your life is. You're a leech trying to eat all of our friendelos and use the only family I have left to relive your glory days.
Hey, Your family's doing a great job. You know how hard it is to kill that many high-level bounties in such a short amount of time? I mean, it's not as fast as I could have done it, but,
I know they're doing a great job, and I'm proud of them. But I'm stuck here dealing with you all the time, and you're fucking pathetic. Tell him how pathetic he is.
Hey, come on. Don't make it sound so sad. Look, I admit I wasn't in a good place when you found me, but I feel like I'm part of your family now. I'm basically your dad now. You too, Lizzie. I'm your dad. I'm just worried about you dating this weird freak who just wants to steal my couch away from me.
You can call it your couch when you start paying rent. Until then, no complaining about who lives here.
Lives here? He's gonna live here?
I mean, if you think we're ready, Tweeg.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Hey, shut up, Tweed. This isn't about you.
Why? Because you're worried you'll have to share a cushion?
No! Because I'm concerned. You barely know this guy, and it's dangerous out there for humans.
Oh, that's rich and condescending. I am not an idiot. I know what I'm doing. You're cool with Tweeg moving in, right?
You see Merv?
No. Why don't you come in? It's cool.
He took off as soon as we got home, but when I checked his cabin, he disappeared. I've never seen him this upset. I'm afraid he's gonna do something silly.
That's funny. Scott hasn't come back yet either. I keep thinking I'm gonna wake up soon and find myself back in my bed at school, just waiting to come.
All right, here's the skinny. You're all gonna need some major firepower if you really plan to take on Garmantuous.
Our team already has 4 guns. Isn't that enough? I'm asking for real. I really don't know.
Trust me, we need this. Plug sent over the details on an extremely powerful Gatlian.
Oh, another Gatlian. That's fantastic.
That's right. Supposedly he's in the possession of another G3 officer, a scientist named Dr. John Giblets. And guess what? I can't find shit on him. I don't even know where he is.
Don't get mad at me for not knowing this, because remember, my brain's been scrambled. But how would we find him?
We do it the old-fashioned way and ask around. Maybe we find out his coordinates and warp him in. I'm sending you to Blim to gather intel. I don't know. I'm fucking tired, kid. Maybe you'll appreciate me more if you do my job.
I haven't known you very long, Gene, but I respect you more than anyone else I've ever met in my life.
All right. Skip the portal door and just head out into Blim. Oh, and before you go, you might need a little extra help. I went ahead and unlocked a new feature on your bounty suit. You're welcome.
Sarah and Scott developed some instant rapport. Sarah and Scott went off to Vegas to get married.
Hey there, bounty hunter. It's me, Pseudo again. I'm still here. I've been here the whole time. Welcome to detective mode. I'm here to help you sleuth out all those really big, crazy mysteries.
Oh, sure. Give us detective mode now. This would have been useful earlier.
All right, let's see. It looks like you're looking for a Dr. John Giblets. Is that correct?
Yeah. Got a problem with that?
Oh, fantastic. Let me do a quick search for you. This will solve it immediately, and... no matches found. Oh, well, it's never that easy. Why don't you start by interrogating the locals?
So you're useless. Go figure. Thanks a lot, Gene.
Well, you're the boss.
Maybe you should try your scanner.
Hey, sorry, yeah, no, he can't talk. He just sort of makes that noise.
Yeah, it's gross. I don't want him to do it anymore.
Hey, this is nice.
Yo, what's up? What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
I'm happy to answer. I would just like to know why first.
It's just important to me. I love finding out what everyone's favorite flavor of ice cream is. So, what is it? What's your favorite flavor of ice cream? Interesting. I'm never gonna forget this. It's gonna be really important later. I'll tell you that. Oh, okay. Don't want to talk about ice cream. I understand. See you later.
Ah, looking for more alien cum, are you? Well, I'm sorry. Okay, you saunter away.
Where did this shit come from?
Oh, hey, I know I look like I'm one of those G3 guys, but I am not in the G3. I'm like one of the few people of my species who did not join the G3. We call ourselves Merkaloids or Merkalids or what, I literally can't remember the name of our species. But that's fine, it's not important. We're literally cannon fodder. That's kind of what our species is. Everyone gets pressured into joining the G3 and then they get killed. It sucks. And I don't want to be one of those dead cannon fodder types. I want to live my life. I'm not going to be peer pressured into joining a criminal organization. No way. I'm going to go hang out here in Blim City. But guess what? People are a little racist towards me because of all the other people in my species are working for an evil organization. So now I gotta deal with discrimination, if you can believe it. That sucks. It's not fun. Discrimination's not good. You heard it here first, folks. Discrimination sucks. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Maybe I'll have more to say if you come back.
Hi, whatever. Can you even read? Is this your first time at a store?
You can't like everything, just keep browsing. You go on and have the best day of your life, because tomorrow, it's gonna be rock bottom again! A perfect fit for a little shit. Thank you for your business. Take good care of that now. Oh, that one will be hard to part with. Enjoy. Joy. That mother of yours, George.
She sucks.
A match made in heaven. Oh, well. Make sure you bring that around here once in a while so I can see it again. Oh, sorry. Oh, you like good eye.
Okay, who we fighting? Okay, yep, got it.
Hey, do you know anything about Dr. Giblets?
What are you talking about? Hey there, it's me, Pseudo. Looks like you're trying to interrogate a suspect. Let's ask them some questions.
Do I look nervous? Oh, jeez, you're making me nervous with this interrogation. Am I what? What is it with you and this Dr. Giblets guy? My name's Craig, and I'm really sick from eating a lot of sandwiches. Leave me alone. I'm really sorry. I don't know who that is, but good luck, I guess. Hope you find them. What? Why do you care? If you must know, I ate 15 whole sandwiches, and yes, I regret it. I don't know why I ate that many.
Woof, they didn't know anything. That was a real D-rank interrogation. Sorry. Oh well, maybe you could just find more people to
Would you mind watching my bike for just a minute? I just keep an eye on it. I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver. Don't let anything happen to my bike. Where's my bike? I asked you to watch my bike and you just let someone take it? Where'd it go? That was an expensive bike.
Oh my God, I swear to God it was right here just a second ago. We were right here. I don't even know.
My mommy gave me that bike after my daddy yelled at me. It means a lot to me. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. You piece of shit.
Hey, tough guy. We're looking for a Dr. Giblets. You got any leads?
Slick, what the fuck are you talking like that for? Oh, Jesus Christ, leave me alone.
What's my whole deal? Like, who am I? What do I do? Well, my name's Jackie T. Pooperton, and what I do is tell you to fuck off! With the drug guys. No! I don't have any fucking ties to the evil drug conglomerate. I'm a normal person trying to live a normal life in the city. Why in the fuck would I have any ties to the G3? I don't know, and I don't give a shit. I'm busy. You need anything else, or can I fucking go? How you doing? Like with your weird interrogation? Awful! Annoying! I wish you'd stop!
Ooh, bummer. They were a tough cookie. But they were telling the truth according to my sensors, so let's say that was a C-rank interrogation. Better luck next time. Let's look for somebody else.
What is with this crowd?
Hey, do your best and have fun.
Oh, look at this. Suddenly everybody wants to get into the dirty old slums just because High on Life is doing another big midnight lunch. The store's new, too. That's gentrification for you.
Oh, look, another one walking away when they hear the truth. Oh, look, another one walking away when they hear the truth.
Is the door off the hinges?
No, it's my fridge is fine.
Yo, Bounty Hunter, come see what I've got in stock on the food menu.
Hey, do you mind if we have a moment of your time?
Oh, sure. What's this about, can I ask?
Who's this?
Shh, hey, quiet. Don't say his name so loud. I can't help you, but Blordo can. Mention my name, Michael Taint. Then he'll talk. But no cracks about my name.
Why are you calling me?
Well, sure. Yeah, I don't really have any moral issue with accepting a bribe. It sounds like a win-win, actually. I get money, you get info. But come to think of it, the G3 will kill me, so how about no?
Okay, I'm not so good at this. Not having a good time. Holy shit, wow, we actually got something we can use. Okay, woo, that was an A-rank interrogation. Good for you. Let's head over to Blordo and mention Michael Taint.
Hey, what's up, Blordo? You know anything about where we could find a guy named Dr. Giblets?
Whoa, where'd you hear that name? You can't just go asking around town for a guy like that.
What? Why? What's wrong with asking about Dr. Giblets?
I don't know. Why do you think I know anything about Dr. Giblets? I don't know nothing. Now buy something, I'll beat it, Buster. Ah, that piece of shit! I'm gonna kill him! Look, if you're really looking for trouble, maybe check out the new High on Life store in the slums. The Hyperbong 6 midnight launches tonight, but you should be able to get in by now. Just don't mention my name. I didn't say nothing. Now get out of here! If anyone sees me talking here, I'm dead!
Thanks, Blordo. We had a good feeling you were a true pal.
Wow, great sleuthing, detective. That was an S-rank interrogation. Oh, fuck, all right.
Yeah!
I really thought they would answer the phone. That was it for the Jim Goofster Show. King of the Pranks. Everyone go fuck yourself. All right. Stop watching my prank show. I'm really bad at them. It's now over. All right, one more prank. Here we go. Ring, 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 ring.
Look at us just jetpacking around like a couple of fucking goddamn heroes.
Peace ball. Thank you. Thank you so much. I've just been waiting a long time to hear.
Oh, power slide!
Hey, there's my favorite VIP. Hey, you don't have to wait through any of this funny business. You are allowed right in, my friend.
Yeah, you better head straight through. I don't want jerks like you hanging around.
Shit, thank you.
Let us in!
We want to be the first in line to get the new Hyperbong 6! I'm gonna get fucked up on humans!
Have you ever eaten your own poop? Because, you know, it gets hard, it gets tough down here in the slums. That's where sometimes you gotta just eat, you gotta do it. I mean, I don't have to, I have foods usually, but I still eat poop every once in a while.
The night was getting longer by the minute. Soon
Hey, you
we'd
got a
be at the
peso?
new High on Life.
You're so cool if
But
you could
what
just
would
give
be
me like
waiting for
100
us there?
pesos.
Oh, nobody knows. Could be crazy.
Oh, yeah, hey, yeah. I get it. You don't want to talk to me. I'm the broken leg guy. Nobody wants to talk to the broken leg guy. I get it.